Namaste, welcome to Divya Ved Yoga. I am Divya and today I am going to tell you few asanas which are very beneficial for increasing the breath capacity. So if you will do this asana, this will increase the efficiency of your breathing. It will be good for strengthening of your muscles around your shoulders, around your back, open up your chest. It will increase the strengthening of muscles around your chest. So this will be helpful in increasing the efficiency of your breath, as well as this will give strength to your back muscles. So it will improve the pain or anything stiffness around your back. This will be very helpful in relaxation of your body and mind. You can do this asana while waking up early in the morning, or just before your going to sleep, or any time in the whole day. You can do this asana. This will be beneficial for improving the efficiency of your whole body as well as your breath. So let's see how to perform this asana. For first asana, we have to sit comfortably in cross-leg position. Any other suitable position you can sit like this also, touching your knees on the ground, your heels just in line with your pelvic, or you can sit normally in cross-leg position, or even you can sit in the chair, whatever is comfortable for you. I am sitting in Ardha Padmasana. Whatever is preferable for you, you can sit in that position. Then put your palms on your knees, your back is straight, your chest open, your neck and just in line of your shoulders, your ears just above your shoulders. Now inhaling, open up your chest, come forward, push your shoulders backside. There will be arc in your back and you will be looking up, and close your eyes, just relax in this position. And then exhaling, slowly hunch your back, roll your shoulder front, try to touch your chin to the chest, just chin to the chest, and pushing your abdomen backside, making a hunch in your spine. And again inhaling, coming front, opening up your chest and making an arc in your back, and exhaling, making a hunch in your back, rolling your shoulder back, rolling your shoulder front, touching your chin on the chest, and releasing the asana, coming into the straight position. I will show you from the other angle also. Now look from the side how it will be performed. So inhaling, pushing your chest front, opening up your chest, rolling your shoulder back, looking up, there will be arc in your back, and exhaling, rolling your shoulder, bringing it front, chin touching to the chest, and there hunch on your back. Again inhaling, front, and exhaling, curve, and then relax. So you can do this asana while doing work. If you are sitting on the chair, you can do this asana. This will be very helpful, and you can do this just after waking up or before sleeping. So let's move to the second asana, which for that we have to lie down on our abdomen. If you have any problem in your abdomen or recent abdomen surgery, try to avoid this asana. So hands on your side, chin on the mat, forehead on the mat. Now bring your arms near your chest, elbow near your chest, and palms pressing the floor, fingers wide open, forehead on the ground. For taking the asana position, exhale completely, and inhaling, slowly come up and hold yourself in this position. Your body is supported on your elbow and palms, and you're looking up. This position, this asana is called Easy arm cobra pose. This is very good for opening up your chest, your back muscles, strengthening of your back muscles, and breathing normally. You can close your eyes and breathe normally. Just observe your breath. Inhale and exhale, breathing normally, and your chest open. You will feel the stretch around your abdomen and compression around your back. And for releasing the asana, inhale and exhaling slowly, bring your chest down, your chin down and your forehead down, and relax. Bring your arms on your side and relax. After this position, you go directly to the Makarasana, crocodile pose. Arms next to your ears or in any relaxed position. You can keep your arms like a pillow and your legs wide open, more than hip distance, and your toes pointing outside. And you are lying down on the Makarasana. Close your eyes and relax your whole body. Breathing normally, observe your breath and just relaxing your whole body. Bring your awareness in each body part one by one and try to relax the muscles around that body part. You should be breathing very deeply and gently. For a few minutes, just relax yourself in Makarasana, crocodile pose. Crocodile pose. Relaxing yourself in crocodile pose, and after that, for releasing the asana, bring your chin on the mat, arms near your chest, leg next to each other. Push yourself up and coming into the setting position. Thank you.